Dear colleague, it's your student. Here is the second part of my presentation on data management. It concerns validation check exercises that we will do directly, okay, using the different links I will provide to you. And yes, we will also use software tools for data cleaning exercises. Now, as for handling taxonomic uncertainty, one of the errors in dataset, you can use GBIF API. API refers to Application Programming Interface. It is a set of functions that allows application to access data and interact with external software components. Okay, for instance, here you have GBIF API names the name parser. It is an online tool that allows you to divide scientific names into their components and to check them against the taxonomic GBIF backbone, which is the taxonomic list of reference, okay, of GBIF. You have then to elaborate your text file and then drop it here. Okay, you drop it here so that you can have the result. The result is like this, okay? So that you have the scientific name, you submit it, and how they are parsed. When they are not parsed, okay, it mention fails, okay, and then no name corresponds to that. When they are parsed, it's make true. The type is scientific, and the genus name is mentioned, and the species epithet, the name of the species is also mentioned, as you can see. Here I use okay an extraction of a file I downloaded from a CGB site concerning your country. Okay, and when finished, you can generate the CSV file of a result. We will do it in practice. Okay. You have also as a software tool the global name resolution tools and services. Okay, that you can use. But here we will paste the names, the scientific names. Okay, here in this space, you can also use the advanced option. So you can choose the database that will contribute, okay, to the name, okay, to let's say the resolution of the name you submitted. You have catalog of life, ITs, index, Fungrom, GBIF, etc. There are different bases with their specificities, okay, that you can use as reference to try to match the names you submit. When you use it, here is the result, okay, how it looks like. For instance, the name of Leptotoptilus crumenifera, with the authority lesson 1831 is an exact canonical match with a credit of score 0.988, close to 1. But at the same time, then here it is for GB from GBIF, okay? Also from GBIF, we have a same name with a different authority. You know, Linnaeus, who is the father of systematics, described that species since 1758. Okay, so the two names exist, but where is the difference? The taxonomist will tell us. Okay. As for another name, okay, Bicorvus leadbiteri. Okay, we have also two references. Okay, one from Catalog of Life, the same name, the same uh, let's say, authority as this, and it is also found in GBIF backbone. You can also use the species matching tool of GBIF that can help you match the species name to the GBIF backbone. Okay, it is at this address. You need just to generate the CSV file of a list of the names you want to submit and drop it here. So automatically you will have this result. Okay, then you will find out, let's say, information on the match type. Exact match, exact match, exact match. Here you have higher rank. So the name here, the species name is no longer used, it is outdated or it is wrong. So that is only match, for instance, the genus name. This is also the case here. This is a fuzzy match. And if you click on it, you will find the reason. Okay, there may be two different names or synonyms you need to check. At the end, we can generate the CSV file for the result. And then we come to another tool, the taxonomy link resolution service, TNRS, that you can use, okay, to match plant species listed to database sources like Tropicos, TPL, USA, let's say database from USA Department of Agriculture, for instance. Okay, so you paste the names here, up to 5,000 scientific names. You can choose the databases and then you submit it so that you have the results. Okay, for instance, in the file, you have a scientific name that is matched to nothing, and you have a different names here, and the name matched are here. The source use the data, the source of database use is Tropicos here. If the score of match is 1, the taxonomic status accepted name, okay, it is accepted, and the accepted name should be the same because it is accepted. You can click on this to see further details. Okay. As for the basis use, you have Tropicos from the Missouri Botanical Garden, okay, in USA. You have Q, the plant list, okay. You have plants database from USDA Department of Agriculture that are used. You can also use Catalog of Life. As I said, Catalog of Life now has a list of more than 2 million of species. So, yes, about the species actually known and described. So it is quite credible, okay? And you can submit your list on that database. When you submit it, here is uh, the results. You can have the match type, exact match, etc. The scientific name, okay, will be they are returned with let's say the authority name, okay. Then the kingdom, the phylum, the class, the order name, and family names are provided. So quite useful for you. I advise you to use that sheet, okay. You have some references I use in the preparation of this document. Thank you for your attention.